Yes.
Okay. Okay, so let's start washing.
What's up, guys? Today we're playing Bed Wars. So I know we just finished a video just now. We just finished making a video right now.
Because now after that we decided, one video is not enough for us.
Yeah, that video wasn't enough for you guys. It wasn't enough for us, and it wasn't enough for you guys. You're rushing to Ems.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm joining you.
Let's go.
I have used you bots. Like I can't just dash like your crazy move.
Now you ain't getting away with this.
Sometimes. Nice, nice.
Let's go. Oh man, to help.
Where are you?
This guy.
Did you get him?
Let's leave. Let's go. Another guy is coming. Are you serious?
Help me out, Stefan. Why you run away?
Man, Zoe, come back with wood, please.
I died because of you.
Bro,
why did you run?
Serious?
I don't know. I really built something for you to jump to come back.
Help! Quick!
Go.
I don't think I can make that.
Go.
I don't think I can make that, my guy.
My face, my dude.
Don't you say I can't make that?
I'm coming.
Wait, I think I can actually.
Wait, I'm coming. Don't risk it. How many M's do you have?
5.
Right? No, you're not risking that. You ain't risking it. Follow.
Yeah, 5 M's.
Oh, tier 1. We have tier 1.
Let's go. I got so many kills.
I'll be back. How many kills did you get?
I got 1 kill.
How many kills did I have?
No, you got 0, my guy.
I need how many?
But this guy has been camping a lot.
I'm gonna kill him again.
He got iron armor right now. He's our teammate, my guy.
Oh.
No.
He got tier 1 for us of mission first.
I guess.
Take my dude. You can take it all. I gave it to our teammates.
Okay. Well, this guy thinks he can wash us.
Just try and rush us.
It's a girl, actually.
Do I got it?
Well, she does go. Get him.
What I'm doing? I got 1 more M's with me. This anti-cheat of this game now is annoying. The anti-cheat of this guy just. We have a spirit assassin guy in yellow. We actually need to take them out.
Okay. I actually need to go. Someone broke our bed. You serious?
Hey, you have got to be kidding me. Yeah, I'm actually gonna be kidding me. At this point, help me! Help me!
I'm a one actually. So much lag.
What the heck was going on, my dude?
Bro, I just got lagged out of existence.
Same. I was lagging so much, my dude.
Bro, you know.
What? Ever since we stopped playing Bedros for a while, I've been lagging so much.
Yeah.
Is it just so happen to do my build up tactics and kill now?
Well, I think you should do actually put a face cam.
That'll be when I reach like 1K.
1K what?
Or maybe 100 subscribers. That's how I'll do face review.
Face cam. Face
Yeah.
cam.
Yeah. Why am I not lagging right now? No, the iron's my. Oh, dang it. This good. How much iron do you have? Give it to me.
Bro, I need to get so you can get M's for you. I'm not going to waste it on you. And besides, I basically know I don't.
Stop being toxic, my man. Why being toxic? No need to be toxic. There's no need to
Why
be
did you say
toxic.
slow?
Because someone's playing on mobile.
Bro, how did you get there?
Who?
Faster than
Which
me?
bot? Which bot got there? Which bot? Which bot? Who? Which bot wants to fight? Which bot wants to fight? Put on my fight with me. Which bot? Why?
Whoa, how did I die?
Who did you die to?
This guy.
I found him.
His name was LLL. He think he cool.
Double kill my dude.
Bro,
I killed him.
you're already about to get your rage blade. So you come back to base.
No, I'm gonna get more kills.
I'm coming with you, so you don't die with your kills. So you turn back. Don't get too cocky.
I died.
That's what I thought. I told you don't do.
I need to get ammo. Because it helps me better with my hits. Give me iron, Zephyr, please. If you want a rage blade, give me iron. Rage blade.
I need help.
Okay, I'm coming to help you out.
Bye bye.
Help,
Nah, someone between Lynn. The Elvin Chris, Spirit Assassin. No way, man. Nah.
Wait, Elvin.
Yeah.
Damn.
Now I'm about to get washed, bro. He think we don't. Bro.
My dude actually. My dude is actually trying to clap us. He's clapping us good.
Bro.
My dude just be chilling there, not even trying to kill the dude. There's so much lag here. There's so much lag. I can't lie, there's so much lag.
This guy are just pursuing this guy. And you know his teammates are coming to black him.
I'm lagging out so much, my dude.
This guy's gonna die now.
This game is lagging out so much. What?
He made me lose all my will. Are you serious?
Hold on, are you lagging out?
No, I'm fine.
How?
I'm about to break someone's bones.
John, I want you to bring someone to me. I want you to chase someone to me. I have an idea.
Did you lose all your kills?
Yes, I got stones when I died.
Boy, you gonna
Fighting
die.
Trinity. Oh, blue's dead. Okay, that means I can do this.
The minute you jump down.
Yeah.
Bro, you ain't serious. Bro, like
Me just vibing in blue's base. I'm just vibing in blue's base. What artist is this? Song artist is this? Jimmy Yosef.
nah, you ain't even gonna catch me. I don't
No, oh yeah. Dominic Strike. Okay, fine. John, give me iron.
my Are you back at base?
I'm blues base.
Ah.
I'm a blues base.
You are blues base.
Yes.
Bro, are you serious? So you just left your whole team and went to blues base? I think it's
Oh, my entire iron, my dude.
Get him.
I should just get some.
Get him.
I get some.
Get him.
I get some iron ammo. I
Nice.
let everyone strike.
You are the worst. Everyone strike who?
Strike this dude, yeah. Strike him.
You died.
My iron, my dude. My iron.
How do you feel?
I feel dumb.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Just me here, almost getting iron ammo.
Just me here, almost getting tier 2.
Yeah. Well, you have to be useless the whole entire game.
Just me here, returning back to Blue's base to upgrade us. Oh my days. I feel so dumb.
Yeah,
I fell off. Shut up. Just shut up. Actually, shut up.
I'm almost to iron ammo. I'm gonna be
Bro,
Then
I
I'm
literally. What am I even doing?
I'm about to get
What
out.
am I even doing? What am I even doing, Zefan?
I'm about to
Zefan, ask me a question. What am I doing?
I don't know, being dumb.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm being dumb.
Yeah, that's what I do.
Never mind. There's an enemy here.
Wait, is it heading for a base?
Is there iron ammo guy?
Bro,
I got him off.
you killed him.
I got him off though.
Bro, you dead. He fell down. He's on low health. He think he can escape a Uzi guy. Bro,
He fell off, lol.
No.
Give me M, Stefan.
I've won him.
Oh, never mind. You're useless then. Oh my god, and I have this blue guy. Guys, please say something.
Bro, you
Please
ain't
say this in
serious.
comments. Please say
How?
this in comments.
How did you get that? Oh my god, I was almost about to let's go. Now you dead now. That's what you get.
What's up with that goofy owl laugh? Don't you dare even let that goofy owl laugh ever again, you hear me? If I punch you in the face, you goofy owl. Goofy owl.
I'll just be camping. Then I'm gonna get a snack.
What did my dude think is doing camping, Jen?
I'm back. I got an apple. Wait, what are you doing? Whoa! 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 This is why. This is why I keep my PC. I wish I could keep my PC upstairs.
Oh, someone's trying to boost one. Okay, how much do you have? I have 109. Give me your iron right now, you bought. Iron ammo, boys. Well, what is that going to help me with when I'm using barbarian? What is that going to help me with? Exactly nothing. Nothing. Damn. Nah.
What?
Flip this. Actually, flip this. Someone's diamond sword.
Bro, bring that guy here and I'm gonna go actually offend you.
Oh, okay, I'm gonna give him iron.
What do you say?
Okay, I'm gonna give her iron. She wanted iron. Give me iron, Zefan.
I'm gonna use that for iron sword.
And I'm trying to use that for tier 3. For wood to get tier 3. Which one's better?
Look how crazy this was. There's so much things like the anime. I found it.
What tier do we have? What tier do we have? Don't be goofy out. I'll let everyone. I want to let you all that the Gary Diamond Sword is coming toward our base.
You ain't serious?
He's coming towards our base. No cap.
Yeah. That's why I thought one away, idiot. I'm gonna go clap this cheek to this. Now this guy ain't ready to get clapped. That was like go away.
How about we just go clapping right now?
Now let's go clap this guy.
He just because he has diamonds doesn't mean he can just take on 3v2.
Make this guy.
Oh, he has an iron sword, my boy.
What? That's why he was so.
Did he die? Who killed him?
We killed him. So wait, that guy almost killed me.
It's true.
For me, I was on 4 health right there. I was like, bro, this is who killed him?
I have no idea. Check your
How many kills do you got? I got 2 kills.
How many do you have? How many do I have?
2 kills. I think.
What of me?
I think you killed. No, I think it was that girl that killed her. Him. Wait.
Oh, I need just one more. Get me one more diamond immediately and we'll get here too.
So just to break it to you. So guess what?
Pay to win, lol.
Now
IK.
I'm an idiot like
For
you.
reals.
You made me an idiot like you.
IK for reals. Pay to win. This game is so pay to win. No cap. Protect bed at all costs.
Why?
Full diamond gear. They have full diamond gear.
Of course. Why did you say that? You made me.
Now look at say thank you for all the stuff I just purchased for us.
Well, I'm about to get us fireballs. What are you talking about?
Alright, so I want you to do something for me, Zefan. So I'm gonna cover the bed in stone. I want you to cover it in this blast protection stuff.
No, I was just about to get fireball. Whoa, no way. Get him.
I got him.
Whoa, this idiot.
He-
So you have your witch blade.
How?
Whoa. Take the. Who gave you that?
I have an idea. I'm gonna protect bed, don't worry. With stone. Give me blast protection stuff. That blast protection stuff and give it to me in a chest. In the chest for the team. Give me some iron, please. Shall long enchant now. Thanks.
Enchant here.
Okay, give me more.
Bro,
I'm trying to put out the bed really good. That's why I need all this stuff.
want to keep on coming, so.
This 50 minutes.
Now I'm gonna use the rest to get fireballs. Cause it looks like I'm going to have good for me.
Should be a sky-based castle.
Sky-based castle, right?
Yes. Should be that.
Wait.
That's enough.
Okay. After that, after protecting our bed fully, we need to get here.
Tree. Alright, this should make AFK as I'm AFK doing this.
No, I'm gonna start right now.
Get tier 3.
Yeah. Six M's, 6 dimes.
I have 2, let me check. I have 3 more with me.
Okay. This guy against the way. He's not going to survive.
Bro, I died. Someone black side, I died.
Well, how did that miss?
That was so cringe, my dude. Why did you shout it out?
I know, man. The guy has such bad aim.
The girl.
No, that guy. Can't even hit any of his shots. Well, okay, he hit that one.
You guys are never so done with. Let me show you the true skill of a bowmaster, of a master.
Well, how did you miss that?
They all hit him. He just protected himself.
Well, did you die?
Yes, I did.
That's the balance idea.
This is actually the dumbest idea ever. Zip, just give up. I'm not this man. That guy has enchants.
He has enchants too.
Yes.
No.
Nah. And I think it's fire 3. Stop. What did he give us?
He gave me 2 M's.
Okay.
Wait.
Use them. He wants us to use them for balloons. Use 2 balloons. You say use them.
Should I?
Yeah, use them. It's nice. Use them.
Okay. I won't use them right now. That's dumb. But I want to kill this guy.
What do my dude do, my dude?
I'm not killing. But these guys are watching us. Whoa. I just died with the balloon.
Oh my days, my dude. How bad are you? How did you die with them?
Abel.
They didn't break my bed, you dummy.
It took my stuff. I told you.
How?
I told you.
My dude. Like, bro, I told you to use them. I told you to use those balloons so you can leave us in peace. Look what you literally cost, you bought. You all can die. Oh my days.
Whoa, but that's a little deep. I couldn't. No, I didn't. Well, I died.
See out.
What are you doing?
Oh my days, attitude. I flipping hate you.
I died.
Like, what the fuck attitude? I've died to this one thing just so many times already.
Yeah, use them.
I want it with. Are you dead?
Yeah. Did you get them? Yeah, use them. Use them. Jump off and use them.
Okay. Don't boo me.
Bruh. That's what I thought.
Nah, see you all. Nah.
You dead?
Nah, I'm still surviving. I'm knocking
Now
them off.
talk about the guy that just tried to kill.
I keep surviving. Thanks. Thanks. My dude, you just tried to kill me,
You dead?
bro.
Bro.
Dude, you say you was gonna let me leave. No, those guys, they definitely had a cyber kid guy, cause I can't believe that, my dude. I really need Roblox, my dude.
Understanding English.
Nah, that guy doesn't understand English to me. The guy that killed me doesn't understand English. I was gonna get. Oh my days.
Bro. I thought we were actually going to win. And they were going to let us win. Should we end it here?
Just one more match. This time, rush anyone you see. We rush anyone we see.
I know the title of this video.
Grief.
The greatest betrayal in the history of the Bible.
That's